Hello and welcome to Forex Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing what's next for the Dow Jones with the US elections in sight. Let's now take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. In this chart, we can see price action going back to the 15th of July, where the index was at 24,659, and where it has since rallied to 27,889. This is quite staggering when you realize that the record highs before the coronavirus was just above 29,000, and where the United States is still in the grip of the COVID pandemic, and where businesses are suffering badly. Unemployment is at historic highs and has not been seen since the Second World War. The Dow Jones, which is one of the benchmark indices in the United States, is flying in the face of fundamental analysis, and indeed common sense. It is rallying to the upside at a record-breaking pace. Market analysts, traders, and leading names in stock market investments arenas has been suggesting that the Dow Jones would collapse down to the levels we witnessed in March when the index was at 18,200, a total collapse from the high of a few weeks previously. While the index is now taking a breather before the next push in either direction, traders will now be able to focus in on the United States elections in a few weeks' time, and where Republican Donald Trump is not doing well in the ratings due to his handling of the COVID virus with the USA. It was commonly believed that Donald Trump's policies on low taxation and less regulation and a push for lower interest rates were a great benefit to American corporations, thus pushing the Dow Jones to the highs we saw before the pandemic. The US stock market loves Donald Trump. It is now believed that the Democrat opposition Joe Biden may sweep to a November election victory, and that if this happens, many of Donald Trump's policies, including taxation, would be reversed. Therefore, we should not presume that if Joe Biden won the election and the Democrats reversed Donald Trump's policies, that the American stock market, including the Dow Jones 30 Industrial Average Index, would suffer. Analysts predict a 20% fall on the basis that Biden reverses Trump's policies and would likely increase capital gains tax to as high as 39% for the upper income individuals. Bearing in mind, this is the higher earners that tend to buy more stocks. In times gone past, where the biggest factor to determine the value of stocks was companies earning, its fundamentals have gone out of the window, and where if an incredibly disruptive and economically devastating pandemic cannot crush the Dow Jones Industrial Average, we should in fact not be at all surprised that not even an election defeat for Donald Trump will necessarily mean a collapse in the Dow Jones Index. In fact, if the market is purely driven by trend, which it appears to be, we could see the previous highs breached. Sellers beware. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.